Hey y'all, what's poppin' off? This is my intro. Thank you so much for being here. I know I'm wearing this shirt from the first day, but it's actually a few weeks later. I just graduated yesterday. I had no clue that I was gonna delay this video for this long. I posted another video about racism and colorism and also classism and tons of other isms last week. And I know I wanted to get up another video this week. I wanted to try to make sure that my schedule is a bit more consistent, but anyways, this is the outfits that I typically wear in a week, even if it is a little more of a laxed week. As you can see, I really love this t-shirt. But a few things before we jump into the video. I want to first, number one, say that I'm thick AF or fat, whatever you want to call me. I am not a skinny person. That's just number one out the gate. Number two, this was during my finals week or going into my finals week for college, and I was not feeling being the baddest in the entire world, although I still think I'm the baddest. Anyways, next, number three, I build all of my outfits from the bottom up. So we start typically by bottom, I mean my bottoms. So like by jeans, I start my leggings, whatever it may be, whatever I want to put on the bottom, that's the first thing I do. Because I fluctuate in weight so much, I put on my bottoms and then I decide what I'm going to wear from there. So all of these outfits have been crafted from my bottoms and then go outward rather than starting somewhere else. I always make sure to have accessories on. They may not be pop and off accessories all the time, but I make sure to have a ring because you look more put together when you have rings on. I always make sure to have some sort of earrings on. I love the fact that I have a nose ring because that's just an accessory I have on at all times. Anything to spruce it up a little bit. And I always try to wear a bag when I go out because it just feels like I knew that I was leaving and that's helpful in some way. So I think those are all the main points that I want to get across, and I hope you enjoy the video. We're just going to be going through the outfits until we hit the end. This is the fit for day number one. So I'm just wearing some basic Converse. These are Levi 501s. They're in the size 36-32. I got this belt from Urban Outfitters about a year ago. This scrunchie is from Amazon and I thrifted this t-shirt. I also got this bag on Amazon. And these hoops I thrifted at a Crossroads. I'd also like to speak on how these Levi 501s fit. Everyone raves about how dope Levi 501s are. Honestly, they don't fit me super flattering. You can see that I get kind of a V right here. Not necessarily a camel toe, but I do get a V right here, so it's kind of odd fitting, but I don't mind it. I mean, there's a lot of things about my body that I used to hate and I'm learning to love. So this is outfit number one. So here we have outfit number two, starting from the shoes. I got these on Amazon. These pants, I believe I got at Ross or Marshall's, I don't remember. This jacket is one that I thrifted. It's a Wrangler's jacket. This shirt is from Talbot's. I'm not too familiar with that, but I think it's actually a men's clothing company maybe. And then the earrings I've talked about before. I got them at a Crossroads. And the trusty old scrunchie back on my wrist, never fails. Got that from Amazon, as I've mentioned before. So this is a little bit out of my comfort zone, I would say. I typically don't wear such sophisticated attire or playing sophisticated attire, but I am heading off to work right now. So there's a bit of a dress code to be there, covering a bit more of my skin, being a bit more modest, if you will. So I'm at work right now and I just clocked in, but I thought I would share something with you. I realized thinking about my outfit and looking back at my outfit as I currently wear it right now, I feel like it would have been really nice if I added another maybe accent color by including long socks in this, and it also would have kept me warmer because it is raining right now in California and I feel like it was the move and I did not take the move. I missed the move. So this is the official outfit for day number 3. I love leaning into trends. I don't dress very trendy as it is. I have a lot of basics that I wear, but when I do wear trends, I'll wear a bunch of them and pile them on together. Like this scrunchie, did I need to wear this scrunchie? No. Did I need to wear these bike shorts? No. Did I need to wear these socks and sandals? No. But I still did it. Anyways, I really like to lean into it, so it looks kind of weird, for lack of a better word. I personally would wear this any day. I don't care that much. I think that I look cool. But speaking more about the outfit, I love this shirt so much. This is Amine, if you're familiar with him. It says, "Support me, I love you." Same, I'm always trying to support, I'm always trying to love, I'm always trying to be kind. Because it has a small yellow detailing, I got my yellow scrunchie out and I was like, ooh, get it. I love bike shorts, I'm a thick ass bitch. I weigh about like 190 on a good day and also 200 on a good day. They're all good days. Because of my love for bananas and my love for Amine, I got a bananas tattoo, if you can see it. I could look like a father like this. You might be thinking, bitch, why is your hair curled if you're gonna just go study? That is a beautiful question. I think I originally was like, oh, I'm gonna wear a fancier outfit today to feel better, feel like a bad bitch. But I wasn't feeling it, so I just did my hair and I was like, let's make sure this goes all downhill after it. So, you know, sometimes it's kind of nice to contrast your outfit with your hair, with your makeup, with whatever you want. So today we're contrasting the outfit with the hair. I gotta do this hella quick. So I'm running off to a banquet right now, but here's the fit. So I just have on some shoes. I thrifted these, love them to death. I have these flowy pants I got from Target, the Wild Fable line, and this shirt I actually got from my work. So we have staff, families, and I'm actually heading off to the banquet for my work, but this was a shirt that I received my first year. This is my last year within my job, so I thought I would wear this and it would be a nice thing to pull it together. I think inevitably this outfit was more about what I felt comfortable in, as well as, you know, what represented my time while I was a community assistant. So this is what we're going with today. I have my crossbody bag that I'll be taking, as well as my Instax. Yeah, super excited, but this is the fit. I like it because I know I'm gonna be eating good and I wanna feel comfortable. All right, so for day number 5, this is the fit. No, I'm not wearing shoes, but I'm probably just gonna put on my black Tevas. So here we have it. I have this shirt. I got it from Target. I have these sweatpants, jogger type bad boys. I got them from Costco. I have my scrunchie, and I'm just going to be studying most of the day. I know that this probably isn't a very interesting outfit, not very cool, but I feel like I decided to film this on the wrong time period, considering the fact that it is inching closer to finals week, so I'm coming in my last days / weeks at UCI. So there's just a lot of stuff that I have to do and not a lot of time. So I'm like, I can't be a bad bitch, I have to be a sad bitch. So here we are. There's the fit, feeling good. All right, that was the entirety of the video. I know it wasn't very long or very in-depth, but I hope you enjoyed seeing that. If you want more content where I'm talking about my outfits, talking about what I like to wear, maybe some tips, tricks, what I like to do as a thicker individual to make myself feel better when I'm going through ruts, because I constantly do. Let me know down in the comments below. I would greatly appreciate you liking this video, subscribing, sharing this, hitting me up. My Instagram is @HollyMarieWoods. Thank you so much for being here. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.